Hello everyone, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Easton John. Today I'll be teaching you step by step on how to upload your first video. Let's get started. From your home page on your channel, click the icon and then click upload video. Then select the image, the video you want to upload. It will take you to this page and then you key in your video title. Optimize your YouTube title by using keywords. Craft the sentence properly and put the keywords in between. Your title should not be more than 60 alphabets so that it will be easier for the algorithm to send out your video when people make a search for that particular keyword. While writing your description, also add the same keywords that you added for your title. Add them also in between in your description in the first 200 letters of your description. By doing this, you are actually optimizing your video title and your video description. It will help enhance your video visibility and engagement. For the playlist and your thumbnail, we'll talk about it. That will be a different topic for another time. But for now, let's continue. If your video is made for kids, you click the first one, yes, it's made for kids. If it's not made for kids, then you click no, it's not made for kids. YouTube recognizes from 0 to 13 years old as kids. So if your content is all about kids, then you click the first option. If not, you click the second option. If your content is a paid promotion, like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement, check the box. If your content is an AI generated video, you click yes. If it's not an AI generated video, then you click no. Allow automatic chapters and key moments. Allow automatic places. Allow automatic concepts. Select the video language. Mine is English, United Kingdom. Then also choose the title and description language of your video. Mine is also English, United Kingdom. Select your video location. You can choose either the precise location or the city or the state or the country. Tags serve as metadata to help YouTube understand the content of your video and make it more discoverable to viewers searching for related topics. By including relevant tags, you increase the likelihood of your video appearing in search results and recommendations. They essentially act as keywords that help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and who it may appeal to. Under the license, you click Standard YouTube License, allow embedding, publish to subscription field and notify subscribers, allow video and audio remixing. Under video category, mine is education, so you can select what category your video falls on. Then under the comment, you can either turn it on or turn off the comment, or you can even decide to hold potential inappropriate comments. It's up to you. Once you're done doing all this, you need to double check everything about the video that you're uploading. You double check the title, you double check the description, the tags, and every other thing that has to do with the video that you're uploading. So once you're done, on your right hand side, you will see visibility. You click under the visibility, you click public. Once you click the public and then you click save, then your video will be made public. It will be uploaded. Click account, your channel, and then it will take you to your home page where you'll be able to see the video that you uploaded. Now that you've learned how to upload your first video on YouTube, optimizing the title, the description, and the tags, in our next video, I'll be teaching you how to create an engaging and clickable thumbnail that will enhance visibility on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.